Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is very exciting. I've come across this project 10 uses. I don't know if Caitlin Costello was the first person to do it, but I've watched a couple of her videos and I thought to myself, since I've got a short space of window between now and obviously the new year, I thought we could do something like that. So this is the project 10 uses intro. So I'm going to be showing you what we've picked out. Yeah, let's take a look. Here is what I've picked out. Okay, so the first thing is the Maybelline Fit Me New Look Dewy and Smooth Fit Me foundation. I said I wasn't going to bring any more foundations in until I'd finished my Project Pan foundation, but I don't think this is my right shade. It looks way too dark for me, and if it's way too dark, then it's being decluttered. So the shade, according to them, is 110 Porcelain. I don't think it is. It's far darker than any of my other foundations. Right, so for eyeshadow palette, I want to use this Chocolate Martini Glam Light eyeshadow palette. I've had it a while, and I just feel like, yeah, I need to get more use out of it. So, for all you that haven't seen it, it looks like that. Can't wait to get into that. Right, and I also wanted to bring this self-made palette in. So the aim of the game is to use everything 10 times. And that doesn't mean, like with the eyeshadow palette, it doesn't mean I've got to use like every single shade in the palette 10 times. You know, I just focus on specific eyeshadows. Like if I wanted to use this, I could use this 10 times. So that would be Happy Hour. Or if I wanted to focus on a particular quad, I could do that. So that's what it means. So we don't have to use the entire palette, no pan left behind, 10 times. But within this, I think I do want to use it 10 times. So looks like that. I just want to get use out of it. I feel like I could possibly declutter this, but I do want to use it. That came from a Tanya Bear palette years ago. This bronzer, I want to use it up, and then that can go. This, I think it's Havana from Benefit. I don't know if I like it. I don't think I've ever liked it, so we need to use that. I think that's Rockature. That's California. I feel like I'm close to panning that completely. And then we've got this one from Tarte, and then this one from Primark. So I do want to use them 10 times each. This one, if I get bored of it, then I won't. I mean, yeah, it does look like it's got some shimmer in it. I was going to say, if it's matte, I'm going to take it out now, but it's not. It does have some shimmer in it. But it's just not my shade, I don't think. Right, we will try it, since it comes like that. Contour. So this has been in my Shop My Stash, and I'm nearly done with it. So I was going to keep it in my Shop My Stash anyway, but I've thought about bringing it into this project. What this means, because we've got this project ongoing at the moment, it means that there's not going to be as much Shop My Stash products. So I just need to think about what I want to bring in. Look at that. There's barely any there. And this used to be in the That's Expensive Project Pan. It's the W7 RTT in Out of the Blue. I don't know if you can see that there. And I barely use it. I thought it would be a good one for the inner corner. It's a really, really pretty shade. You're not really seeing it. Typical UK weather. I don't think I like it. So I brought the Danessa Myrix foils in... what shade is it? Venus, just to see if I want to keep it or I want to declutter it. So it just says it's a waterproof liquid pigment. Then we've got something else for the inner corner, Charlotte Tilbury. It's, like I said earlier in my previous video, when we went through all the Shop My Stash products, but we're in for August, I've just got bits and pieces like this that I want to use up and just get out of my collection. So that's why I've put this one in. Right, this blush is so old. It might go with the Tanya Bear blush, actually. So, it's just an orange blush here. And it's by Tower 28. It's the Beach Please in the shade Golden Hour, so I want to see how I feel about this, and I feel like it's a really nice shade for the fall as well. I've not used this single eyeshadow. I don't pull from my singles that much, so I've not used this single eyeshadow in such a long time. It's in the shade 01 Zinc About You. It's by Essence. It's one of their melted chromes, and at first I pulled in the other one that I've got, but I just thought to myself, well, no, don't. Just use one at a time. You can always pull the other one in once you've used this. So that's that. And then the last item is the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Is It Fussy. Now this, I've done a lot of progress, but I don't think you get that much product anyway. Right, let me roll it right down and you can see. Can you see the progress there? And then I'll roll it up. So that's what I've got left on it. And just remember, I don't want to finish the entire thing up. I just want to use it 10 times. So I don't know what we're going to be pulling out for Shop My Stash at this point. At least pulling eyeshadow palettes out and work something out so we can do this project each month and also do the Shop My Stash, even if it means just pulling a few Shop My Stash items out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today. It really means a lot. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.